So if everybody wants to kind of gather around, so this is what we do when we're, you know, anytime you get out to the trail, you know, this is what we do up here in the National Forest. People coming in, dropping their trash, and if you look over here, you can see there's a campfire ring. Usually we get trash in there. So if you look over here, come around this way, you see one of the trail markers has been run over 50 times, whatever, so that thing's done. So we'll be bringing up new Carsonites and stickers and replacing this sign here. And then obviously today we got the truck here. We're gonna haul out this mattress. We're gonna get this trash over here. And we just started. We're not even 50 feet off the trail right now, 100 feet off the trail from the parking lot. So, so yeah, I mean, for all you guys that are just starting to work here, I mean, this is what we're all about, is, you know, just giving back and coming out and picking this stuff up. And plus it's our national forest. It's, this is public land for everybody to ride on. And yeah, this is disrespectful, but somebody has to pick it up. And the Forest Service doesn't have the manpower to get out here and do it. So it takes organizations like ours and 4x4 clubs and stuff like that to come out and pick this stuff up, because it's pretty much a weekly thing. All right, only took 5 minutes with a few people here and everything's picked up. There was trash all down in that area and then over here. And of course we got the mattress out. Campfire ring's cleaned out.
Get Colt down there.
And Colt's still down there picking stuff up. So evidently we're not done yet. And then we're gonna head down this trail and continue the process. Got an abandoned tent over here, so we're waiting for the side-by-sides and 6-seater we have that they're up there picking up a couple more campsites and trash just up the hill there, about 300 yards. So they'll be down here in a minute so we can get all this loaded up. But we got this abandoned campsite, something we commonly see out here. This mess. We'll get all this crap out of here. We have a porta potty here that somebody has left, so that's fun. So we'll get that out of here. And we have another tent set up here where people have left all their trash. And so we're gonna pull all this out of here. So as soon as the side-by-sides get back here, we'll get all this all picked up, and then we'll make another run 2 miles back to where we're parked with the trucks and trailers. We'll fill up another truck and then we'll continue on. Yeah, this is something that's pretty common that we run into, and it's up to us, the rest of us who recreate in the national forest and camp, to pick up after these people and take care of this kind of stuff, or we won't have any national forests left. Yeah, it pisses me off. I don't want to be spending my day picking up all this trash. And the more I look around, there's a pile over here, there's a bunch of trash right in here, there's some up over there. I noticed some just on the other side of these rocks, you know, and just, yeah, it's upsetting, and it makes you want to, you know, part of you is like, you just want to give up and throw in a towel and say, okay, you just can't keep up with these people. But you know, this is, at the end of the day, like I've said a million times before, this national forest belongs to all of us. And, you know, if we have to be the moms and dads and out here and pick up after our children, and, you know, that's what we got to do. On a beautiful sunny day, you know, midsummer, if this is done, wind blows just right, embers blow out, and the whole trail burns down, and then none of us get to use it anymore. And we've got a few skids, another mattress, and a grill. And then everybody's down there in the woods filling trash bags, just trash that just blows everywhere that people leave out. So we got all those filled with trash bags. Looks like we got everything collected up down there, and we're getting ready to head back and take another load back. So it looks like we'll have a big load packed out of here today. All right, so Bonnie's collecting up a few things over there. We got another trash bag there, and this is our haul for the day. Mattress and some other crap. And then we got this pile, another mattress. Bed is full down here. Skids, grill.